everyday commuter, day tripper, or minimalist weekend wanderer, the XKursion XS Cube bag is a great companion for your next ride. XKursion is our premium line of luggage that leads the market in design and features. Streamlined, organized, and innovative, this luggage was built for the long haul. Like all XKursion bags, this too has thorough-formed construction and components for strength, security, and shape retention. It's made with a UV-rated and weather-resistant 1680 denier textile material and has rubberized, glove-friendly, weather-resistant zippers. This provides a no-hassle solution to accessing your cargo quickly. The XS Cube's removable base pad provides a contoured recessed bottom for multiple mounting options on a variety of bikes. It features integrated heavy-duty welded D-rings and includes sissy bar and mounting straps so you can mount additional bags, luggage racks, or passenger seats with ease. There's a built-in coat flap with an adjustable G-hook for quick and easy external storage. You'll also notice multiple quick-access stash pockets for the small essentials around the outside of the bag. Don't forget about the included rain cover located in the zippered compartment on the back right below the sissy bar strap. The XS Cube measures in at 16 inches wide by 11 inches deep by 11.5 inches tall. With 2024 total cubic inches, you're sure to have enough space for all the essentials. Keep in mind the XC Cube installs to sissy bars, luggage racks, and passenger seats, and installation does require 4-point mounting. Installation is fairly easy, and we do include hook and loop straps to help you temporarily get this bag in place where you want it, and then use the included mounting straps to securely mount your bag. When you unzip the top compartment, you'll notice there's enough space to store a full-face helmet, a water bottle, and some other small items. On the inside back wall of the XS Cube, there is a padded media storage compartment that will fit a 12-inch tablet or 2 other smaller devices such as a cell phone or MP3 player. The XS Cube also features top and side zippered openings to the main storage compartment. This way you access your contents quickly and easily without hassle. If you would like to learn more about this product or other products like it, please visit our website at Kuryakyn.com or give us a call at 866-277-9598, and one of our friendly and knowledgeable customer service members will be happy to help you find the right part for your motorcycle. Kuryakyn, innovation that keeps us miles ahead.